Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. So in the previous video we have designed this UI for post. So now in this video we will fetch read all the posts from the Firebase database using the Firebase UI. So first of all we will add the dependency of Firebase UI. So open your browser and search here Firebase UI Recycler View dependency and open this link. So here we will copy this dependency. This is the Firebase UI Recycler View dependency. This is the updated version of Firebase UI database. So open our chat app, go to build.gradle module file, and here we will paste the dependency. I have already added this dependency, but this is the old version. Just remove this dependency. And also we need to comment the Firebase real-time database. Here you can see here is the Firebase dependency. So just comment it and click on sync now. Now wait for a few seconds. Okay, our dependency is added. Okay, now first of all we will create our model class. So open our package and create a new package. That will be utils, and here we will create a new class that will be post. So Java class, I simply call it post. Okay, now we will create the variables. So open our database. Okay, here we have posts. So here we need to initialize these variables. So initialized one by one. So private string post date, post description, and the last one is username. Okay, make sure you have same spelling, otherwise it will not fetch the data. Okay, now press alt insert and create constructor, select all the fields and press enter. Now again press alt enter, select the constructor and make sure you have unchecked this field and click OK. We need empty constructor for our Firebase. So press alt insert and select the getters and setters, select all the fields and hit the enter button. Okay, our post class is ready. So now we will go to our main activity and initialize our Firebase UI recycler view. So Firebase recycler adapter. So here we will pass two parameters. First parameter is our post class and second parameter is my view holder. So I will create my view holder and call it adapter. Okay, now Firebase recycler option and pass here post and simply pass here options. Okay, now this class is not created yet, so press here alt enter to create the class. Okay, now this will be extend view holders, select this one and press alt enter to create constructor matching super. Okay, now again go to main activity and here we will create a method. So here we will create the method load posts. Okay, now create this method load post. Okay, now we need database reference where we have to fetch the posts. So if I open my database, here you can see here is database reference. So here we need to fetch the data. So I will create the reference for post. So here we have database. So here is post ref. So I will use the same post ref inside this load post. we will initialize over option and adapter. Option equal to new Firebase cycler option, and here we call the method builder, and here we need to pass the post class that we have created here. So now we call set query. So first parameter is our reference, so I will pass here post reference. So now second parameter is our post dot class, sorry, posts dot class. So finally we will call the method build. Okay, now we initialize the adapter. So adapter equal to new Firebase recycler adapter. Okay, now first put a semicolon at the end, and also we need to pass here option that we have created here. Now we need to initialize our single view layout inside our on create view holder. So here is our single view layout, so we will initialize it. So layout, so first we will need to create the view equal to layout inflator dot from, and here we need to pass parent dot get context dot inflate r dot layout dot single view post, and second parameter is our parent group. So here we need to pass the parent, and last parameter attached boolean, so I will pass here false. Now finally we will return overview. So create the object of my view holder, so new my view holder, and here we need to pass the view. So inside this on bind view holder we will initialize the data to our view holders. So first we need to initialize the variable that we have created inside this over layout. So open my view holder, here we need to create the variable. So first one is circle image view profile image. Okay, I have initialized all the member variable of this post. So now we will initialize the data to this member variables. So open our main activity again, and inside this on bind view holder, here we will initialize the data. So holder dot post description dot set text. So here we will get the data from model class. So model dot get post description. So holder dot get time ago, sorry, time ago dot set text. We will calculate the time later, but now I am going to assign the time as it is. So model dot get time ago, sorry, it's date time. Holder dot username dot set text. So model dot get username. Okay, now we will use the Picasso library to assign the images. So Picasso dot get dot load, here we will load the images. So model dot get post image URL dot into, so holder dot post image. Okay, now duplicate this line and change this get profile image URL, and here we need to holder dot profile image. Okay, now we have only two images. Okay, now we will initialize over recycler view. So create a recycler view here. So recycler view, and simply call here recycler view, and here we need to initialize it recycler view equal to find view by id r dot id dot recycler view. Let me check the spellings. Yeah, it's recycler view. Okay, now recycler view dot set layout manager equal to new linear layout manager, and pass here context. Okay, now our recycler view almost ready. Now we have to initialize adapter. So after this load post, we need to assign the adapter. So adapter dot start listening, and recycler view dot set adapter, and pass here adapter. Okay, now run the application and let's see it's working or not. Okay, I run the application, but here is problem. So I have initialized the text view to over image view. So here we have to cut it from here and just simply assign to text view. Okay, our application successfully running. It's fetching the data from the Firebase. Here you can see, but our design have few problems, so we need to fix it. So go to single view layout, and here select the card view. So here you can see we need to add the constraint. We haven't add the constraint in the previous video, so just simply add the constraint of this card view, and also need to add from top. Okay, now select this like button, and also need to add the bottom, and also select a margin from bottom 8 dp. Okay, now run the application again. Ah, look at that, it's looking nice. Here you can see our posts are looking very nice. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.